Think you need a college degree to get into IT? Not anymore. In 2025, the tech world is changing, and that means you can start a career in IT without a degree, without experience, and without going broke. Let me show you how. Welcome to the IT Ladder, where we help you start and grow your tech career one step at a time. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to break into IT with no degree, what to learn, what certs to get, how to build experience, and how to land that first job. Let's get started. Step 1. Know the entry-level jobs. First, you need to know what entry-level IT jobs actually look like. Most people start with one of these roles. IT support specialist, help desk technician, desktop support, or service desk analyst. These jobs focus on troubleshooting, customer support, and basic systems. And most don't require a degree. They just want someone reliable, coachable, and ready to learn. That's where you come in. Step 2. Learn the right skills. Before you apply, build your foundation. Here's what to focus on. Basic computer hardware and operating systems. Windows 10 and 11. Networking basics, like IP addresses, DNS, and routers. Command line and basic scripts, and how to troubleshoot common issues. You can learn all of this for free on YouTube, or use sites like Professor Messer, FreeCodeCamp, or LinkedIn Learning. The key is to stay consistent and get hands-on. Step 3. Get certified. Certifications are like cheat codes for job applications. They show hiring managers you know your stuff, even without experience. Here are 3 great options. CompTIA ITF Plus for absolute beginners. CompTIA A+, the gold standard for entry-level IT. And the Google IT Support Certificate. Affordable, flexible, and well-respected. Pick one, stick to it, and don't overcomplicate things. Step 4. Build real experience. No job yet? Create your own experience. Set up a home lab using VirtualBox or VMware. Volunteer for tech support at a school, church, or nonprofit. Contribute on forums like Spiceworks or Reddit. Try guided platforms like TryHackMe. You're not just learning, you're building a real portfolio. Step 5. Apply smart, not just hard now. Start applying. But don't just copy-paste your resume. Tailor it to each job. List your certifications, your lab experience, and any customer service skills. Practice the basics, resetting passwords, explaining DNS, answering common help desk scenarios. And always, follow up after applying. Most people don't. That's your edge. Closing advice. Breaking into it without a degree is totally possible in 2025. It's not easy, but it's absolutely doable. Be curious, stay consistent, keep learning, and take one step at a time. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. If this helped you, drop a comment and tell me where you're starting from. I'd love to support your journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly IT videos, right here on the IT Ladder. Let's climb together, one step at a time.